Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. It's your sister Zainab if you're new here, and for my returning, welcome back guys. So in today's video I'm going to share with you guys four delicious iftar snacks which you can make in 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to prepare egg chaat first. So I'm boiling 6 eggs and I'm gonna add salt so that when I peel it's gonna be easy. The eggs is ready. Now I'm going to peel them. Now give some cuts on the eggs. Now I'm going to add chaat masala in the eggs. In a bowl, add half cup of gram flour, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, black pepper, quarter teaspoon, some salt, chili flakes, quarter teaspoon. Give it a quick mix, and we're going to add about half cup of water. And this is how it should look like. Coat the egg with a gram flour mixture nicely and fry it until it's light golden. Our egg chaat is ready and it's so crunchy from the outside, and inside the taste is in another level because of the chaat masala which we add in the egg. Moving on, we're going to make potato cheese balls. I have boiled my 2 potatoes. Now I'm gonna mash. Now I'm gonna make ready my mozzarella cheese. Now in a pot or pan, add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add my half chopped onion. I'm going to fry for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add half cup of chopped carrots. We'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and fry for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna add quarter cup of green pepper. I'm gonna add potatoes. Chopped spring onions, some salt, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon of black pepper, and then I'm going to mix everything together. After a few seconds of mixing the potatoes, I'm gonna go ahead and add fresh coriander. I'm going to continue mixing until I see everything is well combined, and it's gonna be on low flame as I'm mixing this. I will just cook for 1 to 2 minutes and then I'm going to switch off the flame. Our potato is done. We will need one egg also in this, so I'm chopping one egg. I'm going to mix with the potato which we prepared. Now we're going to shape our potato balls. So we're taking a small amount of the potato. We're going to flatten that we're using our hands, and then the cheese we have to place on the center of the potato and cover it nicely. You just have to make sure that the cheese is inside the potato, it's nicely covered. Yeah, as I'm showing guys in the video. And this is how it should look like. Now we're going to beat one egg. Now take a potato ball, roll it in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs, and fry the potato balls until they are light golden in color. And voila, our potato balls are done, and they taste so good, you guys. They taste so yummy. Next, we're going to make bread rolls. We need few slices of bread, we need cheese, we need Vienna, we need green pepper, we need red pepper as well, we need mayonnaise and some salt and black pepper. So now I'm going to mix everything in one plate, starting with Vienna's, red pepper, green pepper. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and mix that. When it's mixed, I'm going to add some salt and black pepper, mix that one more time, and our filling is gonna be done. Okay, we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to cut the edges of the bread slice. So guys, I'm not going to try this. I'm going to set aside. I'm gonna use to make bread crumbs with it. So here our bread is done. What we have to do now is to flatten the bread slice. Yeah, just like so. And then we're going to add about a tablespoon on the bread of the vegetables which we mix it together. And then we're going to add on top, we're gonna add on top mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese. Wrap the bread with some water just on the edges of the bread, as I'm showing here. and we're going to fold it. So this is how it should look like. As you can see, it's nicely sealed on the side as well. Make sure it's nicely sealed. We'll also need 2 eggs. You're going to roll the bread roll in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs, and then you have to fry it until you see your bread roll is done. Our bread roll is done. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness. So I was just like sprinkling some fresh coriander just to make it look really fancy. Yes, now let's open inside and see. Look at that. Look the cheese. Oh my god. This is another yummy recipe, you guys. Next, we're going to prepare pokore, which is chili bites. Yeah, some people they call chili bites. We call pokore. It doesn't matter. It's still the same thing. Now we need 1 onion in this. We're gonna slice the onion. Add that in a bowl, and then we're going to need 4 leaves of spinach. We're going to cut that also. Mix it with onion. And next we'll need 1 potato. And this is spice which we're gonna need: cumin seeds, turmeric powder, chili powder, some salt, coriander seeds, and I'm going to crush that. We need crushed coriander seeds, so I'm using my hands to crush it. Next, we're going to add a cup of gram flour, some chili flakes, a teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix, mix, mix. So in this I didn't add any water, guys. I just mix it and leave it for a few minutes because onion has water. The potato has water, so yeah, I just leave it for a few minutes, and then when I come back, this is how it was looking like. So now we're going to fry it. I'm just taking a small amount of the pakora mixture and fry it, and voila, this is how it looks like. So guys, let me know in the comment section which was your favorite iftar snacks between these four recipes. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye guys.